Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a mouth-watering journey ahead of us as we dive into the surprising history of Taco Bell. Have you ever wondered about the origins of those iconic tacos, burritos, and Mexican-inspired fast food that we all love? Well, you are about to find out. Taco Bell is a name synonymous with fast food Mexican cuisine, but the story behind this culinary empire is one of vision, innovation, and a passion for bringing a taste of Mexico to the masses. 1. The man behind the bell. Our story begins with a man named Glenn Bell, a visionary entrepreneur who would forever change the fast food landscape. Born in 1923 in California, Bell's journey to creating Taco Bell was nothing short of remarkable. 2. Early inspiration. Glenn Bell grew up in a family that cherished good food, and his love for cooking was ignited from a young age. His culinary journey, however, wasn't a direct path to Taco Bell. It was shaped by the vibrant Mexican food scene in his hometown of San Bernardino. 3. The Mexican taquerias. In the 1950s, San Bernardino was alive with the flavors of Mexican street food vendors and traditional taquerias. Glenn Bell couldn't help but be inspired by the rich and delicious dishes he encountered in the local Mexican eateries. 4. The first taco stand. In 1954, Glenn Bell took the first step towards his culinary dream by opening a modest taco stand, initially named Bell's Drive-In. He began with a menu featuring hot dogs and hamburgers, but the idea of introducing the people of California to tacos never left his mind. 5. Experimenting with tacos. Glenn Bell's fascination with Mexican cuisine led him to watch taqueros at local Mexican eateries closely. He was determined to unlock the secrets behind those mouth-watering tacos and soon started experimenting with recipes and techniques to create his own unique version. 6. The secret sauce. One of the defining features that set Glenn Bell's tacos apart was his creation of a secret sauce, which he aptly named taco sauce. This proprietary sauce brought a distinct flavor to his tacos, setting them apart from others and becoming an integral part of the Taco Bell experience. 7. The birth of Taco Bell. In 1962, Glenn Bell's dream became a reality as he opened the first ever Taco Bell restaurant in Downey, California. This marked the official birth of the Taco Bell brand, and it was an instant hit. The combination of affordability and delectable flavors captivated the taste buds of the masses. 8. Expansion and success. Taco Bell's success story didn't stop there. Glenn Bell began franchising the concept, allowing others to open their own Taco Bell locations. By 1964, there were already 100 Taco Bell restaurants across the United States, and the Taco Bell brand continued to grow. 9. The Taco Bell menu. Over the years, Taco Bell expanded its menu to include a wide array of Mexican-inspired items. From burritos and chalupas to nachos and the iconic Crunchwrap Supreme, the creativity and innovation behind the menu kept customers returning for more. 10. The PepsiCo acquisition. In 1978, PepsiCo acquired Taco Bell, a pivotal moment in the brand's history. This acquisition provided Taco Bell with the resources and support it needed to expand further and even venture into international markets. 11. Evolution of the menu. Taco Bell has continually evolved its menu to cater to changing tastes and dietary preferences. Innovations like the Doritos Locos Tacos and the Cantina Bell menu have kept the brand relevant and exciting. 12. International expansion. Today, Taco Bell is not just an American sensation. It's a global phenomenon with thousands of locations worldwide, serving its iconic fast food to millions of customers. Its international expansion has made Taco Bell a beloved brand on a global scale. In conclusion, the surprising history of Taco Bell isn't a tale of recipe theft but a story of a man named Glenn Bell who had a vision, a passion for Mexican cuisine, and the determination to share it with the world. From humble beginnings to a global fast food empire, Taco Bell's journey is one of innovation, creativity, and, most importantly, deliciousness. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey through the history of Taco Bell. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delectable food history and fascinating stories. We'll see you in the next video.